Number systems, number-based conversions, arithmetic operations. There are addition, subtraction, and multiplication we used in these operations. Argand, addend, minuend, subtrahend, multiplicand, multiplier are the terms we used in these arithmetic operations. The difference between our normal addition and here is 1 plus 1 equals 2, but here 1 plus 1 equals 1 0, which is the binary equivalent of 2, and the same we used in the subtraction also. Decimal to binary conversion. Convert decimal 41 to binary. Integer 41 is to be divided by 2. We get 20 as quotient and 1 as remainder. It is to be repeated until we get 0 as quotient. Take the remainder in the reverse order. That's our answer. We converted 41 decimal to 101001 as binary. Again, decimal to binary. Here we are going to convert decimal fraction to binary. First, the number is multiplied by 2 to give an integer and a fraction. Then the new fraction is multiplied by 2 to give a new integer and a new fraction. The process is continued until the fraction becomes 0 or until the number of digits has sufficient accuracy. The coefficients of the binary number are obtained from the integers as follows. Therefore, the answer is obtained from the coefficient. Decimal to octal conversion. Convert decimal 153 to octal. The required base R is 8. First, 153 is divided by 8 to give an integer quotient of 19 and a remainder of 1. Then 19 is divided by 8 to give an integer quotient of 2 and a remainder of 3. Finally, 2 is divided by 8 to give a quotient of 0 and a remainder of 2. Hence, we get a result. Again, decimal to octal. Here, we are going to convert decimal fraction to octal. It is similar to that of conversion of decimal to binary. Hence, we get the answer. These are the representations of decimal in binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Binary to octal and hexadecimal. The conversion from binary to octal is easily accomplished by partitioning the binary number into groups of 3 digits each, starting from the binary point and proceeding to the left and to the right. The corresponding octal digit is then assigned to each group. Conversion from binary to hexadecimal is similar except that the binary is divided into groups of 4 digits. Note: each octal digit corresponds to 3 binary digits. Each hexadecimal digit corresponds to 4 binary digits. Conversion from octal or hexadecimal to binary is done by reversing the preceding procedure. Each octal digit is converted to its 3-digit binary equivalent. Similarly, each hexadecimal digit is converted to its 4-digit binary equivalent. Binary numbers are difficult to work with because they require 3 or 4 times as many digits as their decimal equivalents. Most computer manuals use either octal or hexadecimal numbers to specify binary quantities.